Shadow don't like canes, obviously. Oh, yeah. What does that mean? He has a problem with the disabled. This dog is crazy.
Larry, will you leave Shadow alone, please? Larry, please give me my cane. Larry, give me my cane.
What's up? I'm messing with him.
That's not funny. I have to walk with that sometimes. Don't scare Shadow. Larry, will you give me the cane? I'm sorry, Shadow. Don't do him like that, Larry. You know he already got emotional issues. Ooh, what just happened? Larry, stop.
You spitting and stuff.
Cause he's scared. Move your pants leg. This is insane that you're doing a dog like this. Larry, can you please stop? You are like a child. You shouldn't want your dog to do that, Larry. Shadow, go lay down. Larry, can you give me my cane?
He have a nice time with this, Courtney.
No, that's not a nice time when your dog is doing all of that.
She always taking away the fun from us,
You're
ain't she?
stressing him out for no apparent reason. To get your rocks off. This is weird.
She always taking our fun away, ain't she, Shadow?
Larry, how is that fun?
It's fun because he's getting over it. Look at him. He's smiling and laughing. See? You see? Like, I'm getting braver. I knocked it all the way out the room.
I don't want him scared of the cane. Shadow. Shadow, go to bed. Can you give me my cane, please?
You're not using it.
Larry, just leave my cane alone. I don't want to be walking past him.
He ain't gonna do nothing to your cane, Courtney.
Knock me down. Why are you so inappropriate? Like, seriously. You shouldn't be doing that to scare me.
Ain't nobody scaring him or making him brave. Look at him smiling. He happy.